You're not ugly. The real problem is 7 bad habits that are destroying your face every single day and you don't even notice them. The bad news, if you don't fix them now, you'll keep aging faster than you should. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what those 7 habits are and how to fix them. And the good news, the fixes are simple and you'll start seeing results in just weeks. Let's start. 1. Touching your face. This one's the most common bad habit. You probably don't even notice it, but you're touching your face 30 to 50 times a day. Scratching, resting your chin on your hand, rubbing your eyes. Now here's the problem. Your hands are dirty. You touch your phone, your desk, door handles, random stuff. That dirt and bacteria transfer directly to your skin when you touch your face. The result? Pimples, clogged pores, oily skin, and the worst part is you won't even realize this is what's causing your breakouts. So what's the fix? Simple. Become aware. Every time you feel like touching your face, stop yourself. Wash your hands more often and keep them away from your skin. The less you touch, the clearer your skin will get. 2. Chewing on one side. This one's crazy because it actually changes your face structure over time. If you always chew gum, food, or snacks only on one side of your mouth, that side of your jaw gets more developed than the other. Over years, this creates facial asymmetry. Your face starts to look uneven, and asymmetry is one of the biggest killers of attractiveness. Even small differences, like one cheek looking fuller than the other, make your face look off. The solution? Start chewing evenly. If you chew gum, switch sides every few minutes. Same with food. Train yourself to use both sides. Over time, this keeps your jaw balanced and your face looking sharp and symmetrical. 3. Not getting enough sun. Look, your body needs sunlight, not just for vitamin D, but for testosterone, energy, and your skin's glow. If you're always locked inside your room gaming or scrolling on your phone, your skin will look pale and lifeless. Your eyes get dull, your mood drops. Compare 2 guys, one who spends time outdoors, one who doesn't. The outdoor guy has a natural tan, bright eyes, more energy in his body language. The indoor guy looks tired, pale, and weak. Who do you think women will notice more? You don't need to sunbathe for hours. Just 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily is enough. Go for a walk in the morning, do your workouts outside, or just sit on the balcony. Your skin will glow, your testosterone will rise, and your face will look alive again. But make sure to apply sunscreen. 4. Bad sleep. Sleep is literally where your body repairs itself. When you skip, you don't just feel tired, you look tired. Dark circles, puffy eyes, dull skin, and there are many long-term effects. Think about it. When was the last time you looked in the mirror after an all-nighter? Your face looks swollen. Your skin looks lifeless. Now imagine doing that to your body every single night. That's what most guys are doing without realizing it. Fix your sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Go to bed at the same time every night, and most importantly, cut out screens an hour before sleeping. Your phone is killing your melatonin. Good sleep equals clear skin, fresh face, sharper jawline. 5. Too much caffeine. Now don't get me wrong, coffee itself isn't evil. In small amounts it's fine, but when you're drinking 3 to 4 cups a day just to survive, you're doing serious damage. Caffeine dehydrates you. Less water in your system means your skin looks dry, tired, and older than it really is. Second, too much caffeine ruins your sleep, which we just talked about. And third, relying on caffeine kills your natural energy. You look jittery instead of confident. If you want to look fresh, limit it. 1 cup of coffee a day, max 2. And for every cup, drink a glass of water to balance it. Real energy should come from good food, sleep, and exercise, not from chugging coffee all day. Stop blaming genetics. Start improving. Hit the gym, fix your diet, sleep well, dress better, groom yourself. That's how you unlock your real face. That's it. If you want more videos like this in future, then make sure to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon.